we'll be using the Thermomix to make this Brigadeiros, which is a famous Brazilian dessert that they usually eat on holidays. Alright, let's start cooking. So first we're going to put 350 grams of condensed milk right in there. Next, we're going to put 500 grams of cocoa powder. Alright, now that we've done that, we're going to put 200 grams of butter. And I'm going to turn the speed selector to 4. Alright, now that it is done, you're going to transfer this into a butter-greased bowl.